Honor, does that mean that the freshly registered charges are withdrawn, or what is their status? Because it is still not good to have both files running concurrently.
You know, was a fresh section. We wish to have the matter of the section 7 and we make applications.
The file is for those. Yes, let's say 1171 aside. Let's say 1171 aside. Follows the other file.
1268 of 23, John Maina and Njenga.
Yes.
Yes,
Maina. Okay, yes, Maina. The accused. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm recording fresh proceedings.
Yes, it's okay.
In the now 1000.
We are happy. Martha Karua, SC. With Mr. Ndegwa Njiro, Mr. Simon Boro, Mr. Simon Boro, Mr. Cheche, and Mr. Munje.
It's Munje. Munje. Sorry, Munje. Yes, prosecutor.
When I wish to make an application.
Yes.
To have the matter before under section 87 of the CPC. To be able to have the suspect take leave. With the main file, that is D1171 of 2023.
Senior counsel.
We are of the view that the charges should be dismissed because similar charges are in a different file. It shouldn't be a withdrawal under 87A. We ask the court to dismiss those charges and we proceed on the existing file.
Dismissal under what section of the law?
I do not know whether as defective, not as tried, but as defective. It used to be under, I can't quite remember. I'll have to look at mine. But I think you will know the section of a defective charge sheet. And it's defective because similar charges are before the court. So there is no possibility of ever resuscitating so long as there's another charge identical to it.
You know, with this subject that the time sheet is not defective, some of the counts in that time sheets are not in the main file. For purposes of proceeding with this matter, we would request that the accused person take leave and that time sheet be withdrawn so that we can be able to have it consolidated in our data.
directions of the court. This matter is selected this morning before me for plea. The person charged is in court. Before plea is taken, the learned prosecutor, Ms. Maina, asks that the charges be halted and it be withdrawn under Section 87A of the CPC on grounds that the accused is facing similar charges in a related file being E1171 of 2023. She therefore asks that the charges be dropped. The accused, through learned senior counsel, Ms. Karua, whereas not opposed to the dropping of the charges, objected to its withdrawal and in turn called that the charges be dismissed on grounds that there is multiplicity as the accused is already charged in a related file above referred. I heard the application and the response thereto. One notable thing is that the accused has not pleaded to the charge. The prosecution has sought its termination by invoking Section 87A of the CPC. The above section is for utilization by the prosecution. What this court will be concerned about is the net effect of the withdrawal under the referred section. Such withdrawal would only result to discharge of the person charged and is amenable to being charged with similar offense on a later date should need arise. That is the usual fear. In this case, it is my respectful view that this cannot arise as the accused is charged in the earlier file being E1171 of 2023. In the premise, I allow the prosecution's application to have the matter withdrawn under Section 87A and consequently, the accused is discharged for the charges herein. Let me make an observation on the fact of multiplicity as alluded to by the learned senior counsel. This cannot, in my view, arise, as this case, having been withdrawn, ceases to exist. Consequently, I allow the application as paid and mark this matter as withdrawn under Section 87A of the CPC, and the accused is accordingly discharged.
On one issue,
Yes.
under that file,
Yes.
you're just discharged this person.
Yes. Let me have the class.
And this is an issue that has been invited to my mind by the orders of granted.
Yes.
The orders of discharge. Under that file, Your Honor, did you have, or is there an accused person? So I'm making an application
Yes.
that you set aside that order of discharge
Yes.
on the basis that a discharge cannot arise where the court is not seized or is not in possession of the charge, and where the charge has not been read out to the accused person. To avert the mischief that the DCI wants to perpetrate as against the accused person. In my humble submissions, Your Honor, a discharge can only arise where the accused person has taken charge in that particular, so they have taken plea in that particular charge sheet. I therefore urge you to set aside that order and find the most appropriate order under the CPC that suits the situation that the DPP has invited in. One reason, if that one is not set aside by Your Honor, it is going to amount to miscarriage, and there will be a threat to the liberty of the accused person, and there will be a threat that the court has been invited to in a which way by the DPP.
Tanjiro, I don't even have to invite the prosecution to respond to that. My last order is that the matter is marked as withdrawn.
Most of that, I have not had that later order, and I guess my friends in the media have not also had it.
Yes. The final order is that the matter is marked as withdrawn
Most of that.
under section 87 of the Prosecution.
Very well, can we go back to number 1171?
Yes, we are ready for plea.